Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking onto fax, open the flight app, pull the last telemetry and note GPS, altitude, and timestamp. Once done, check both batteries and controller RSSI so you know how far you can search. If your drone supports a beacon or beeper, activate it now. Make sure the app shows the beacon active. While you move toward the last coordinates, mark a waypoint in your phone and keep the controller powered to preserve telemetry and potential reconnection. You proceed by walking predictable patterns while watching RSSI and GPS drift. Take bearing readings from at least 2 positions to triangulate. Once you have intersecting bearings, close in with shorter search legs and slow, controlled movements. Use the drone's LEDs and beeper to aid visual and auditory detection, and assign a spotter to sweep with binoculars. Make sure to update your waypoint as signal improves, so you don't overshoot the area and lose the connection again. You complete the recovery by powering down safely. Remove the battery and inspect for damage, bending props, or water ingress. Once secure, export flight logs to review what failed and to support insurance or repairs. If you couldn't reconnect during the approach, conduct a systematic visual grid search over the last known coordinates while periodically triggering the beacon or LEDs. Make sure to sweep in narrowing spirals. If you still can't find it, notify property owners and local authorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.